Hey y'all, first day at the beach, Island Beach State Park, with the boys. Christy's not here with us. She's spent the night at a friend's house, so we're doing a boys' day. Freaking beautiful, man. Therapeutic. So I'm 1 week or 6 days away from the first treatment of my second cycle. Tomorrow is my second treatment with the double medicine. So it's the last day to feel good for another week and a half probably. I'd say next Thursday or Friday I should be feeling better again. But it's the first day at the beach. And the water is beautiful, it's perfect. There's no waves really, but let's give you a little view of what's going on. And these freaking lifeguards set up right behind me. I was right where they're at, and they made me move. But hey, I don't think there's anything better than being at the beach. I felt good yesterday and today. It was the only day so far this week. But I made it through baseball this weekend. We had a tournament. Tied one, lost one, and won one. So we're 1-1-1. But we came in fifth for the tournament, so not too bad. It was a nice weekend. At least I was able to make all the games. Saturday was tough though. I was dry heaving the whole time. But not a bad week for chemo. Yeah, normal stuff the first week usually isn't the worst. This week after tomorrow is gonna suck. So at least I got out here. So next beach day, hopefully next weekend. I hope. I usually get about 6 good days of feeling good. But we'll see. You know? God, it's beautiful. Not that many people here. It's still early in the morning. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Kids always have a rough start coming out because they gotta wake up early. Robert and Justin are enjoying it. Alex is yet to go in the water. But I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Either on my way to chemo or while I'm in the chair. Peace out.